Hi and welcome to a new tech stuff episode on my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the new Multistar F4 OSD flight controller all-in-one version with 4 30A ESCs included. This one is from Hobby King because Multistar is a Hobby King brand, and you can find it on the link below in the description of this video. Today I'm just gonna do a first look, what's inside and all the features. So first we have the all-in-one controller itself. Then what we get to are some nylon screws, some spacers and some nylon nuts. The screws have a length of around 2 centimeters, and we get battery wire, which are 16 gauge wires. They will be okay for battery power. Then let's have a look at the size and the weight. The weight should be around 16.5 grams. Let's have a look if this is right. It's 16.6, so that's okay. What I'm gonna do anyways is to take off the shrink tube. It's unnecessary to keep it, and it's a little bit, you get a little bit better cooling, better access for boot button and things like this. Size, we have a total length of around 51 millimeters, a width of around 40 millimeters, and it's around 6 millimeter thick. The biggest challenge is to build it in my Tokyo frame, just because the Tokyo frame, you cannot put it this way inside, just because the tail of the control is too long and it won't fit in the frame. But no matter which frame you use, it's anyways better to install it sideways like this or like this, just because of the USB port. If you put it in like it's meant to be, forward side is where the USB connector is. You have no access to the USB connector. If you install it in this position, if this is flight direction, no matter which drone frame you use, you cannot connect the USB connector without taking the drone apart. So it definitely makes sense to put it this way or this way inside. So you have to reconfigure Betaflight just to have right motor on the right ESC and right configuration of your roll and pitch. Then let's go through the pins. First we have the battery pins. They are on the top and on the lower side of the plate, which is nice, which make them also pretty rigid if the battery pulls on the pins in case of a crash. And then we have the motor pins. They are only on the upper side of the plate. No pins to solder on the lower side. At the front side, as already explained, we have the USB port, and we have different ports. We have 5 volt spec with 2 amps. We have video in and video out and ground for OSD. And we have ground, Vout and S-Bus signal connector for your S-Bus RC receiver. After an online comparison with the Sunrise Cicada, all-in-one FC and ESCs, I realized that these two products have to be exactly the same. If we have a look at the lower side of both, this is the Cicada, this is the Multistar. They exactly look the same, so you can check every single component on the board. Everything is really exactly the same. On the top side we cannot compare like this, but I'm gonna take off the shrink tube now, and then let's have a look at the top side. So here we go with the shrink tube off, and on the left side we have the Multistar, on the right side we have the Cicada, and as you can see also on the top plate there is absolutely no difference between these two products. It's also good to take off the shrink tube, just because you can see that there are other pins underneath the shrink tube. First we have LED and RSSI pins, and on this side we have pins for 3-volt receivers. So anyways, it makes sense to take off the shrink tube to get access to all the pins on the board. And finally, let's connect the controller to Betaflight just to check the firmware, which is already pre-installed. For this we need to go to CLI and type version, and as you can see, it's another current software version. It's 3.1.7. I already checked inside Betaflight. There is no newer software for this F4 controller, but I just checked online and saw that you can also use Omnibus F4 firmware to flash the Multistar F4 controller to a current Betaflight firmware. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumb up, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, happy flying. Bye bye.